Hey there, boys and girls. We have day 2 of your December daily math. This says write less than, greater than, or equal to. So we have 9 plus 4, and we have 5 plus 8. So let's figure out what 9 plus 4 is. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So on this side we have 13. 5 plus 8. Well, 8, add 5 more, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Well, these sides are both equal, aren't they? So we're going to put our equal sign in there. They are the same. Number 2 says, fix the mistake, and the number is 837. Oh, if we're breaking it into our parts, this would have to just be plain old 800. So we would have 800 plus 30 plus 7. So we have 8 in the hundreds, 3 in the tens, and 7 in the ones. Tacos treats, number 3. Number of treats Taco eats. Week 1, week 2, week 3. In which week did Taco eat the most treats? So the largest number I see is in week 1, 2, or 3. Week 2. Here we go. Let's count by fives. So we have 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, and 90. So you'll notice there's a pattern on these too. You see that? Where it goes 5, 0, 5, 0, 5, 0, 5, 0, 5, 0. Over and over and over and over and over. Okay. Oh, number 5 over here. We're back. We're going to use this graph up there again, this little chart. It says, how many fewer treats did Taco eat in week 1 than in week 2? How many fewer? So in week 2 he had 26. In week 1 he had 17. So we could set that up by saying 26 minus 17 equals blank. Now we know that we have it's kind of like the part whole problem, right? We have one part, we have the whole in this case, and we're missing the other part, which is how many fewer or how many more in week 2. So we're going to subtract 6 minus 7, right? More on the floor. We have to borrow from next door. 16 minus 7, 6 and 3 is 9. So we had 9 fewer treats, okay? Now if you'll put in 9 fewer treats, I'll just take 9 for now. That's great. Awesome job, boys and girls, and we'll see you tomorrow.